Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about Cauchy-Euler differential equations. So I will put about yc equals to s to the power of n. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have ns to the power of n minus 1, and we do second derivative of this one, we have n minus 1 s to the power of n minus number 2. Because this is about complementary solutions, so this one equals to number 0. So this one we change by this one, and this one we change by this one. Now we have s squared multiplied by s to the power of n minus number 2. We have s to the power of n. This one with this one, we have s to the power of n. Why? That's about this one in here. Next, we can do about factorization by s to the power of n. So we have n multiplied by n minus 1 minus 4n plus 6 equals to number 0. So we just concentrate about this one only. So this one we have n squared minus n, and this one we have negative 5n. Now we need to find the solutions of this equation, and we have n equals to number 3, n equals to number 2. So we have yc equals to c number 1, that is about the constant number 1, and we have s to the power of n. Now we need to put number 3 going here, and we have s to the power of number 3. Now we have c number 2, that is about the constant number 2, s to the power of number 2. Now we go back in here. So we need to find about particular solution. So we have 10x plus 12. That means yb equals to as plus b. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have a, and if we do second derivative of this one, we have 0. And now I will put this one going here. This one, that is about this one, and y, that is about this one. This one we have 0. This one we have 6as plus 6b. This one we have 2as, and now we have 2as and 10s, so coefficient of 2a equals to number 10. So we have 2a equals to number 10, and 6b equals to number 12. And now we have a equals to number 10 divided by 2, we have number 5. This one, we divide both sides by number 6. So b equals to number 2. And now we have yb in here. So I will put number 5 cone here and number 2 cone here. Now we have the final answer. That is about yc plus yb. Yc, we have this one. And yb, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.